In 1985, the AI world was stunned when NASA scientist Rick Briggs published a paper in the AI magazine. This paper, titled Knowledge Representation in Sanskrit and Artificial Intelligence, unveiled NASA's serious exploration of Sanskrit for AI advancement. It's astonishing that this ancient language is being harnessed for cutting-edge technologies. Sanskrit, one of the primary languages of ancient Hindu cultures, based in India, stands out for its advanced grammar, extensive vocabulary, and meticulous syntax. It's rightfully acclaimed as the world's most organized language. Remarkably, approximately 97% of the world's languages bear the influence of Sanskrit, underscoring the ancient world's profound interconnectedness and sophistication.